What's good now, folks? And today, I got Medea air conditioned. It is a brand new air condition. So, if you want to test it, let us see how it works on this new air conditioning. Cause I got rid of the Demba cause it's not doing anything. So, I'm testing the Medea. So let's see how she works. On three, two, one. There you go. Yep, she's working. She's working. That's much better. Alright, I'm turn her off now. Oh well, too late. It's already on. Well, if I want to, I can turn it on now. Alright, that's all. Hope you guys have a good day, and I see you later.